welcome to the first video. Sorry to cut the rope. Just to make sure you know, I am going to be quite bad because you can barely see anything, as you can see. Actually, I'll pause the video here and I'll fix it and I'll come back, and I'm doing it looking at this video screen. Woo! So sorry about that. I've just fixed the brightness illusions. So yeah, let's get into it. We're going to end at level 10. We might go a bit to level 11. So yeah. No. My aim is to get all 3 stars, and it's hard. Keep on swinging. I'm really good at this. I'm really good. I promise you. But I promise you, it's harder on this. No. Oh, I missed it. No. Oh, what is it? I can't see. I might go a bit closer. Sorry. I need to restart. Yay! So next level, we're level 4 so far. I know this level. You have to get all them right. I know how to do this. I get here. Yeah, yay! Can't hear the song because I'm listening to sound on headphones. Future, I'm going to edit out the ads. So yeah. So this is quite hard. If it goes up, I don't even know. This is the one I had trouble doing with the camera last time. Go a bit closer. Okay. Then you have to get this one, I think, and then that one. Swings. Then you do that. Oh, I know how to do it. So hard. They don't know restricted level. Yes, we did it. It's now. I'm going to, just to make sure you know. So about that, I'm just looking at it because I might do this. I'm going to pause the ads. I don't think it's possible to get that one. So, yeah. Tell me if it is possible, but don't know. This is the one I was stuck on. Oh no, I did it wrong. It's really hard being... Come on, I'll try left-handed. Oh, that's going to be bad. 4%. I think we're going to have to end the video here. I'm sorry about that. So, thank you for watching, and bye!